Today is really special because I get to test our shark observation vehicle.
There are a lot of sharks down there.
The inspiration for this project is taking the Volkswagen Beetle and turning it into an underwater vehicle.
Let's go sharking.
Let's see if it works.
And we are rolling in first gear. Oh, hell yeah! Car functions beautifully. And we have sharks everywhere.
The entire experience is really surreal. I mean, I'm driving on the bottom of the ocean. It's not something I do every day. 20 feet down, surrounded by sharks and hitting the thrusters and having it work. And looking around at my team and all of us just going, yeah! That was when we got the plan and this crazy idea that we had, got it into the ocean and made it work. That's what we live for.
I think what we've done is build the ultimate Shark Week vehicle.